But the angel said to them, "Do not be afraid. I bring good news of great joy that will be for all the people. Today in the town of David, a Savior has been born to you. He is Christ the Lord. This will be a sign to you. You will find a baby wrapped in clothes and lying in a manger." Suddenly a great company of heavenly hosts appeared with the angel, praising God and saying, "Glory to the highest, and on earth peace to men on whom his favor rests." When the angels had left him, gone into heaven, the shepherds said to one another, "Let's go to Bethlehem and see the things that have happened, which the Lord had told us about." So they hurried off to find Mary and Joseph and the baby who was lying in the manger. When they had seen him, they spread the word concerning what had been told them about this child, and who had heard it, treasured up these things and pondered them into her heart. The shepherds returned, glorifying and praising God for all the things they had heard and seen, which were just as they had been told.
After Jesus was born in Bethlehem in Judea, during the time of King Herod, Magi from the east came to Jerusalem and asked, "Where is the one who has been born, King of Jews? He saw his star in the east and have come to worship him." When King Herod heard this, he was disturbed, and all Jerusalem with him. When he had called together all the people's chiefs and priests and teachers of the law, he asked them where the Christ was to be born. "In Bethlehem, in Judea," they replied, "for this was what the prophet has written, that you, Bethlehem, in the land of Judah, are by no means least among the rulers of Judea, for out of you will come a ruler who will be the shepherd of my people Israel." Then Herod called the Magi secretly and found out from the exact time the star had appeared. He sent them to Bethlehem and said, "Go and make a careful search for the child. As soon as you find him, report to me, so that I too may go and worship him." After they had heard the king, they went on their way, and the star they had seen in the east went ahead of them until it stopped over the place where the child was. When they saw the star, they were overjoyed. On coming to the house, they saw the child with his mother Mary, and they bowed down to worship him. They opened their treasures and presented him with gifts, gold and incense and myrrh. And having been warned in a dream not to go back to Herod, they returned to their country by another road.
Okay, music off. Music. Sorry, man.
96.9 FM Radio Humber, that was Wonderful Christmas Time, Paul McCartney. Here on Radio Humber's Sounds of the Season, good news for travelers. That severe winter storm warning has been called off. The revised weather forecast calls for flurries tapering off this evening. OPP reports that snowplows are catching up to the accumulation and all the highways are now open. The news is next on 96.9 FM, Radio Humber.
Oh, that's good news. That's good news. And I get to be going. Here's